Past Hidden Rock Parade home in 2006. 3-acre lot with vistas of Pikes Peak and the Front Range. Outdoor elements feature Italian plaster, barrel tile roof and Marvin windows. Interior walls are imported Italian plaster and American clay. Floors are travertine that have been honed and filled. Other qualities consist of cherry cabinets and trim, cut ceilings, radiant floor heat, double granite and marble countertops, 5 fireplaces, Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, latrine lighting, indoor pool and theater. Owner financing is available. Please contact us to get details.